Here is how to turn off your Facebook professional mode off. Open your Facebook app on your phone, tap on your profile picture, tap on the three dots next to edit profile, scroll down and select turn off professional mode. Now go ahead and read the information message about what will happen. You will lose all your professional tools, insights and monetization features, but your content and followers will still remain the same. Tap continue, read the next page, then tap turn off. Click on review default settings and choose your default audience. Public means anyone on or off Facebook can see your post. Friends, only people you are friends with can see them. Custom, you pick exactly who you want to see your post. Tap on next, pick your custom settings and click done. Your default audience is now updated. Tap on done again and boom, professional mode is now inactive. You are only visible to the people you approve. Remember, you can always turn this on anytime you want.